We sent out a survey asking teachers who have recorded and published their lecture content to tell us the difference between how long a live lecture used to take compared to how long their video lectures are. And most of these teachers have gone through the training program that we have created. So we had middle school, elementary, middle, high school, and college professors all participate in this survey. We had 127 teachers reply in total. And here is a summary of their responses. So in elementary school, the elementary school teachers reported that the average length of their live lecture was 23.4 minutes, and the average length of a video lecture on the same topic that used to take them 23.4 minutes is 5 minutes. In middle school, the average live lecture is 38.3 minutes. Their average video lecture is 8.5 minutes. In high school, an average live lecture is 37.8 minutes, and their average video lecture is 10.5 minutes. And in college, their average live lecture is 54 minutes, and their average video lecture is 19.8 minutes. Huge benefits and efficiency from recording your lecture content. Basically, in elementary school, the ratio is 5 to 1. For every 5 minutes you do live lecture, that can be summarized in a 1-minute video. For middle and high school, it's about 4 to 1, and college is 3 to 1. The other interesting thing we're finding is that so for college the ratio is 3 to 1. Also for like faculty meetings, staff meetings in school, it's about a 3 to 1 ratio for live talking compared to what can be condensed to a video. And also professional development is usually about 3 to 1 as well.